How to create a group shared calendar in Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Outlook, and on your left hand side panel you would be able to find the calendar section. Simply select it. After that, either you can create a new calendar or you can just simply share your existing calendar to your team members or the members of the group. For this, just simply click on this option of share at the top, or you can also find this option when you go to your own calendar, which is already there. You would be able to find three dots. Simply click on it, and here you get the option of sharing and permissions. Simply click on it. Now over here you can type the email address or the contact name in order to add that particular person to your calendar, and this way you would be able to share up the calendar of yours on Outlook to a group of people. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.